Happy New Year and welcome back. This is Rozani, and I'm continuing to work on my little figurine. And these are the faces. You can make any kind of face that you like. Sometimes I use starter shapes, like these. With the blank shape, I could add on to it. Let it dry, and then I could glue that onto the face. But in this case, I'm going to start from scratch. After making the little sketch, I just add on to it. I use the pulp for the cheeks, and it's Papier Mâché pulp. It has the liquid starch in it. All of the papers that I use are dampened with liquid starch. Now here's the hand part. I make the fingers very simply. So it's like having a skeleton to start with. And then I covered them up with some pieces of dampened paper, just to hold it in place for now. And I'll set these aside for next time. I hope you'll check back with me. Be on the lookout. Thank you for watching.